Time to see what's inside.
Ooh, what a nice farm. Pretty. What can I find? Whoa! A hammer! Heavy but perfect. What's over there? Whoa! Giant shiny eggs! So beautiful, so big! I need to see inside. Just one little tap. If they don't look. Perfect. This is my chance. Go, go, go! Balk! Made it!
Let's see what's inside!
UK, my eggs! Thief!
Uh-oh.
Protect eggs. Balk, balk.
Ow, ow! Let me out!
Come back!
Too heavy!
Ow! Return it! What in?
Stop that, raccoon!
My treehouse. Huff, puff.
You can't escape.
Oink, oink.
Come down now!
Safe!
Open up! Young raccoon, give back egg! It's so shiny, I just want to see inside.
Okay.
What's inside you? Just one little tap.
Whoa.
It's alive? My egg is hatching. So bright. A dragon? My egg had a dragon? Oh, you're so cute.
Let me see.
Oh, my.
So precious.
Careful now.
There we go. I'm sorry I took the egg. I didn't know.
You're my special one. Balk.
Here, for the nest. Good job, raccoon, helping fix things.
Oink. Today was amazing.
I'm sorry I tried to steal the egg. You helped the baby hatch.
And learned your lesson.